Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to use and light up your Lenovo uh, desktop. So what you have to do is when you set up your computer, you'll be shown with this app that is called Lenovo Vantage. And if you can't find that on your taskbar, then you could just search it up. So here, if you open it, what you have to do is you have to go scroll down to where it says lighting. And then there's different profiles. So the default profile would be one where all the lights are on, two where it's blinking, and three where it's flashing. So if you want to, you could click customize here, and you could it'll affect the different lights that are shown here. So here the front light, we could switch it and we can make the brightness lower or higher, and we could also make it here a fast blink, slow blink, or breathe. And here we have the internal ambient lighting, so it's just the top light. You could turn on or up the brightness of it. And we have some of you may not have this CPU fan lighting, but if you have the option that comes with it, you could affect it. And you could hear the speed. It's not meant for the actual fan speed. It's meant for the lighting effect and how fast it goes around the circle. And here we have the rear fan where you could change the brightness and speed. So yeah. And these are just different profiles that you could click if you want to have different settings. Well, so I usually stick it to profile 1, and then when I don't want to show any lights, I have it at off. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, stay tuned.